Hi guys, welcome back to Tactic Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to use Stripe for payments. Stripe Payment Tutorial. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be focusing on how you will be able to use Stripe as a payment method or a payment platform for your different multiple uses. Visiting stripe.com, as you can see, it is already being utilized in Amazon, Shopify, Salesforce, WhatsApp, Google, BMW, Zara, and even Marriott over here. So those are just one of the many platforms that are currently allowing or utilizing Stripe. So let us explore it. Let's click on Start Now over here and let's see what we will be able to do. To get started with Stripe, you're going to have to create your email, then add your full name and then select the country. Now, it is only currently available to a few or select amount of countries over here, and unfortunately, my country is not one of them. So let's actually sign into my account in a bit, so let me get back to you guys. And over here, I'm currently logged in, and this is my Stripe over here. Let me show you guys. This is our Stripe account. Now, there is a series of steps that you are going to need to do and accomplish to be able to activate the payments, as you can see here. So you're going to have to do like step 1, step 2, step 3, 4, and 5. But you will still be able to use Stripe as it is right now by using payment links. Now it is currently in my recent, but you can click on billing over here or rather in payments, and you will be able to add like payments over here, like a payment link as you can see here. Now you could use this payment link over here to be able to put it on different sites like Google sites over here, wherein you will be able to use it as a payment method. So for example, you created a shop or an e-commerce shop in Google sites or WordPress or Wix, any platform that you are using to create a website on, and you want to use Stripe as your main source of payment, you could use Stripe over here or this create a payment link over here for your output. So share a link to a checkout page over here. Let's at our Google sites over here for a bit before we get started. This is where I would like to put our section or my Stripe section. So let me put that, then let's put a text box over here in the center. So over here, simply click on create a payment link. We will be redirected to another page. Let's simply wait for it to create our section over here. As you can see, it's like building a very simple part of a website. Over here on the right side, as you can see, this is like the preview. So you could add it over here. So you could add a new product. As you can see, you could put in the name and the description and an image as well. So for example, you're selling something here. You're selling 1 or 2 items. You could easily create that over here. But for me, let's say this is like a digital product. Then this is like trial product for now. And then you could set the price here. Let's say the price would be $500, as you can see here. So it is currently set on one time, or you could set it up as occurring as well, where you will be able to bill it monthly. So if it's a subscription, you will be able to do that. Then you can upload an image over here, which is completely optional. And click on add product. And now that will be added as one of your product lists inside of Stripe as well. And then over here, you have options on what we will be able to get, like emails, payment methods such as card and Cash App Pay over here. But if you want to get like their address, you could enable that as one of the requirements. You can also enable billing and shipping addresses over here. You can also require customer to provide a phone number. It will appear here automatically, as you can see. And there's also a limit, or you could also limit the number of payments. So you could have them only pay once, but if you could also have other number of payments, it is completely up to you. There's also advanced options over here, like you could add custom fields, where you could add like requirements that you want to add. So over here, let's say username or rather name. As you can see, it will be added over here. So if you want to know specific information like name or like any other information, you will be able to use it through the custom fields. You can also add like numbers only or drop down over here, as you can see. Now, it's very useful that you have a preview over here on the right side so that you can easily navigate and see the changes live. You can also allow promotion codes. If ever you have some promotion codes, as you can see here, it's going to appear somewhere. As you can see here, add promotion code, which will add a deduction. And you can also show customer other stuff. But assuming this is it, let's click on create link. And we will be able to create a link for us to use. There we go. Simply copy this. Or you could also create a QR code, which we could download the image of, which will automatically download. There we go. And you can also upload it on your site. So let's say I would like to upload an image. There we go. Now we have the QR code for our Stripe over here. So if they scan this, they will be redirected to a section wherein they will be able to see this page over here. So if we preview it, you will be able to see our. You can also click on buy button over here, which will provide you with a code that you will be able to add to your website. So over here, let's click on embedded code. Let's copy our code over here, copy code. There we go. Paste it over here. Click on next and click on insert. It will insert Stripe's some sort of API over here. It's not loading right now, but as you can see, there we go. It's going to appear over here. Then we could simply move it around wherever you want to place it. Now you could notice that there is a test mode over here. So you're going to have to verify everything, or like complete the verification process over here on the top, where you will be able to like continue activating payments so that you could actually utilize Stripe and receive payments. So the test data right now that we're getting, it will not charge customers yet unless we activate our payments, as you can see here. So that is how you will be able to use it on like general sections, like in your Google site or any website builder that you are thinking of. If you're building your own website, you can also use this if you want. Now there's other types of payments that you could utilize. Now that is like the payment link that is very easy, or you could also create a manual charge on a customer, which you will be able to creating a payment form from the dashboard and manually entering the customer's card information. You can also set up an invoice over here. You could use a hosted payment UI, which will require code. You could also build a custom payment UI using API and a custom charge customer in person over here, which is also for UI. So those are the different ways that you could utilize payments in Stripe. In Shopify, like we mentioned, or what we saw earlier in the Stripe homepage before we logged in, we could understand, or we could see that it is already being used on different e-commerce platforms as well. An example of that is Shopify, which we saw earlier. And if you want, you could also utilize that as a payment method, although the process will be completely different in Shopify. So that's basically it now for guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.